So there are two ways to do this problem. One way you can do is by actually doing it graphically, but that's really hard to do. So try doing it algebraically. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to break down all the components. So if you just look at this part right over here, this is the A component, right? So I bring my A vector right over here. A is going upward like this. So I can break it down to two components. In the x direction is going this way, in the y direction is going this way. And the theta is 45 degrees. I got it from here to over here. So over here it's A cosine of 45 degrees and A sine of 45 degrees. They give you the magnitude of A, so you can just use that value right over here. This is the magnitude of A. Now same thing with B. So B is right over here. Right over here. So we're gonna bring it down. So B is going this way. So the x component is going this way and the y component is going downward. So in this case, this is B sine of 35 degrees. The 35 comes right back from here to here. And B sine of 35 degrees in the y direction. Now C, it's a bit tricky. We actually have to use one of the properties. So the property we use here is, see how this makes a Z? Because this makes a Z, the inner angles are same. This angle is same as the inner angle right over here. Not the theta, but the one on top. Because it makes a Z shape right here. So if it makes a Z, then this angle is same as this angle. So same thing, I used the property over here, so I brought down 23 degrees over here. C is going this way, the x direction is this way, and the y direction is downward. And so this is C cosine of the 23 degrees, and this is C sine of 23 degrees. Now the way we're going to work this problem is basically, because it's a closed shape, all the components have to add up together to equal 0. So A of x, all the components in the x direction, A of x, A of y, A of x, A of B of x plus C of x plus D of x must equal 0. So A of x is, by the way, direction matters. If x is in this direction, it's positive. If x is in that direction, it's negative. So we're going to take that into account. So 3.6 cosine 45 degrees is in the positive direction. So it's the A is in the positive direction if you look at it. B and then C. And C is the only one in the negative direction, and plus D of x. We don't really care what direction D is at, and we just want an answer for D. And that all equals 0. So basically you can move the D to the other side and just solve for it. Everything, all this will equal D basically. Now same thing in the Y. Y, if it's going upward, that's positive, and if it's going downward, that's negative. So if you look at A, it's upward, positive, negative, negative. Same thing. So A sine of 45 degrees minus B sine of 35 degrees minus C cosine sine of, sorry, they all sine of 23 degrees plus D of y equals 0. Now you can so you have your D of y and then D of x, and that way you can get your D. So the